Hello children. So children, we have already completed the lesson plants. Okay. And today in this session we are going to discuss about some question and answers from the previous state and Olympiad exams. Okay children? Yes. And the first question is, plants get carbon dioxide from the. So plants, where do they get the carbon dioxide? Whether from the soil, sand, leaves or air. Okay children, where do we have carbon dioxide? We have carbon dioxide in the air. Okay. So plants also get carbon dioxide from the air. And D is the correct answer. Clear? And the second one is, the main purpose of plants' flowers is. The main purpose of plants' flowers is. Okay, what is the purpose? What is the work of plants' flower? To provide support, to provide water, to produce seeds and to produce food. So what you can see in the flowers children? From the plant flowers we can see seeds. No. So that is why C is the correct answer. To produce seeds. Okay. Again from that seeds we can get new plants. Clear? Now the third question. The leaves of plants are green. The reason is, the leaves of plants are green in color and the reason is they are born from green colored seeds. Photosynthesis occurs in the leaves. The presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll due to the presence of network of veins. So what will be the answer children? As we have learnt that we have got a green color pigment which is called as chlorophyll. Okay. So on the leaves. So that is why plant leaves are green in color. Clear? C is the correct answer. In the next question here, after studying photosynthesis, Nilima drew the illustration of a plant shown below. Okay, and here if you can see, there is a picture which Nilima has drawn. Okay, and you can see the plant and the roots. No, these are the roots and these are the stems, branches and leaves here and all. And there are 3 arrow marks here. No. So 1, 2 and 3. So now what we have to do? Like we have to identify like what is arrow 1. What is arrow 1? So this one. Okay. Whether it release of water and minerals by the plant into soil. In the sense, is this the release of water and minerals by the plant into the soil? Is this correct children? Do the plant release water and minerals into the soil? No, this is wrong. Okay. Second option, release of carbon dioxide into the soil. This is also wrong option. No, absorption of water and minerals by the roots from the soil. C option. Absorption of water and minerals by the roots from the soil. So this is the correct answer. Yes, no. So the plant is going to absorb all the water and minerals, okay, by the roots from the soil. Where do we have the roots children? We have the roots in the soil, no. So this arrow mark 1 represents the roots in soil and they absorb water and minerals. Okay children. Now D option, release of oxygen into the atmosphere. This one. So this is also wrong. Okay. Clear? Now we'll go to the next question. After studying photosynthesis, Nilima drew the illustration of a plant shown below. Same picture children, like as we had in the before question. Again in the same picture, now we have to find out answer for the other question. What is that? Absorption of carbon dioxide by the plant from the atmosphere is represented by the arrow. Like which arrow? Which arrow is representing the absorption of carbon dioxide by the plant from the atmosphere? So where can you find these children? Yes, you can find it in the three options here. So this is CO2 is nothing but carbon dioxide which is in the air. So this is absorbed by the plant. You can see the arrow mark towards the downside where the plant is absorbing this air. Okay, so 3 is the correct answer, C option. Clear, children? Again the same picture. Now what we have to identify? Release of dash gas is represented by arrow 2. Where is arrow 2? Here. No. So this arrow is towards upside. In the sense the plant is releasing the gas. What is that gas?